Good morning children and welcome to the EVS class. Children, in the previous class you have studied that how can we take care of public properties like parks and gardens, orchards, ponds and wells, sanctuaries and national parks. Okay, we have also studied what are public and what are personal properties. Okay, and today we will learn about museums and monuments. But first of all we should know what are museums and monuments. So let's know what are museums. Children, museums are the place where pieces of art, painting, sculptures, historical and scientific artifacts are kept for exhibition. जो थिंग्स है हमारे हिस्ट्री की, आर्ट की, साइंस की, द पेंटिंग्स एंड द थिंग्स विच आर kept for exhibition into the museums. And what are monuments? Children, monuments are the historical buildings. They tells us about the history. They also tell us about the civilization and culture of history and culture of that time, culture of that period, in which period they were built. Okay, so while visiting monuments and museums, we should remember some points in our mind. Let's discuss what are the points which we have to remember. Okay, children, the first and important thing that we should not litter the public places. Okay, if you are having any eatable item and you have finished the things, you have finished the eatable items, keep that empty wrapper with you, and where there you will find a dustbin. You can throw the empty wrappers into the dustbin. And you know, while we visit museums and monuments, taking photograph is not allowed. So please don't take photographs. If you want to take photograph, first take the permission, then only you can take the photographs. And while visiting the museum, you should not touch the items which are displayed, because if we touch the items, they can damage, they can fall down and they can damage. Okay, and one more thing that I would like to tell you, everyone carries mobile with them. So whenever you are visiting museums and monuments, keep the mobile phones in silent mode. Okay, and children, we all know that we have to pay that entrance fee while visiting museums and monuments. So do you know how this fee is used, how this money is used? Yes, this money is used. The entrance fee which we pay, the money which we pay as entrance fee, that is used to maintain all these public properties. So we should pay the entrance fee. Okay children, so you have come to know what are museums and what are monuments and what are the points which we have to take care in our mind. Okay, we should not deface and harm or scribble on the walls of museums and monuments. So take care. If you will get a chance to visit the public places, take care all these points. Okay children, so in the next class I will teach next chapter. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.